In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write handwritten notes on Evernote. We're going to walk through this using the Evernote desktop app. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to create a sketch note where you can write or draw by hand, using either a mouse or a stylus. First, open the Evernote desktop app on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your account and that the app has fully loaded. It helps to maximize the window so you can clearly see all your options and have plenty of space to work with your notes. Once the app is open, look for the New Note area, usually at the top of the sidebar. You'll see a plus icon that's used to create a new note. Right next to this plus button, there are 3 small dots. These dots open additional note creation options that aren't immediately visible. Click on those 3 dots. This will open a small menu with different ways to create content inside Evernote. From this menu, you want to choose the option labeled Sketch. Go ahead and select Sketch, and Evernote will open a new sketch canvas for you. Now you're in the sketch interface. This is where you can actually create your handwritten notes. If you have a stylus and a drawing tablet or a touchscreen device, this is the best time to use it, as it will give you more control and make your handwriting look more natural. If you don't have a stylus, don't worry, you can still use your mouse. It might feel a little less precise, but it works fine for simple handwritten notes, arrows, diagrams, and quick ideas. Take a moment to explore the tools in the sketch area. You'll typically see different pen or brush options, possibly an eraser, and maybe color choices. Start drawing or writing directly on the canvas. You can jot down headings, underline key points, draw boxes or arrows, or sketch small diagrams. The idea is to make your notes as visual and handwritten as you like, so use the space however works best for you. If you make a mistake, use the eraser tool or the undo feature to quickly fix it. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on capturing your thoughts in a way that feels natural and easy to understand when you come back to them later. When you're happy with what you've written or drawn, look to the top right corner of the sketch window and click Done. This saves your sketch and automatically inserts it into your Evernote note. From there, you can add typed text above or below it, tag the note, and organize it just like any other note in your account.